welcome to CarShowcase. Imagine this. You're driving down the open highway, sun on your face and beneath you, the rumble of a powerful V8. You're not just in any SUV, you're in the brand new 2026 Chevrolet Tahoe. This isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about making a statement every time those wheels hit the road. The Tahoe's design is bold, modern, and confident. It's big, it's strong, and it's refined enough to turn heads without being flashy. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is the massive 17.7-inch infotainment touchscreen. It's sharp, it's intuitive, and it comes fully loaded with Google built-in. That means you get Google Assistant, Google Maps, and of course, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Staying connected has never been this effortless. Now let's talk about the details. Everyone wants to know release date and price. Orders for the 2026 Tahoe open in July of 2025, with production kicking off in early September. That means you'll see it rolling into dealerships later that fall. And for price? The base LS trim is expected to start in the low 60s, while the fully loaded high country trim pushes into the $80,000 range. But the Tahoe isn't just about numbers, it's about options. You can choose from 3 powerful engines. A reliable 5.3-liter V8 that's smooth and proven. A stronger 6.2-liter V8 that gives you that extra punch of adrenaline. Or if you want efficiency without losing muscle, a turbo diesel inline-6 that delivers torque and better fuel economy. No matter which you pick, this SUV feels solid, capable, and ready for anything. Inside, the Tahoe gives you room to breathe. 3 rows of seating mean plenty of space for family, friends, or whatever you need to haul. Fold down the seats and you've got cargo space for days, whether it's sports gear, luggage, or the weekend camping trip. And don't forget, safety comes standard. Features like Chevy Safety Assist, automatic emergency braking, lane keep alerts, and even Super Cruise on higher trims keep you confident and secure. So whether you're hitting the city, the suburbs, or the mountains, the 2026 Chevrolet Tahoe is built to handle it all. It's more than just an SUV, it's a powerhouse of comfort, technology, and strength. And when you take the wheel, you're not just driving, you're commanding the road. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we will meet soon in next video.